Hey everyone, welcome to the course. Let me ask you something. Are you grinding lead code every day, but problem is still don't click? Or maybe you are using AI, but only to copy solution, and you are not really learning something, like anything. And if that's you, you are in the right place. My name is Yani, and in this short course, I will show you exactly how to use AI as your personal tutor. Not a shortcut. You will solve problem faster, build real skill, and walk into interviews with genuine confidence instead of memorized answers. Here is what we will cover in this course. First, the mindset. Tutor mode versus cheat mode. This one shifts everything. Second, how to pick the right tool for your preparation. Third, the exact prompt pattern that makes AI guide you, not spoon-fed. And fourth will be, that is final, a live walkthrough of me solving a real lead code problem using this method from start to finish. And finally, the three non-negotiable rules that separate students who crack interviews from students who don't. No fluff, no filler, just the method. What makes this different? Most YouTube videos on AI for coding either dump a list of prompt of you or talk theory without showing anything real. And I am showing the real thing. In this course, you will see me solve an actual problem live on screen using the exact workflow I want you to follow. You will watch the confusion, the corrections, and the clarity. So by the end, you don't know the method, you have seen it in action. So if you are serious about leveling up your interview prep, grab your laptop, keep a notebook handy, and let's jump into the next video because before we touch any tool, we need to set the mindset. So see you there.